Why does your scanner show the P26AC engine code? What does it mean? P26AC is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant, bypass valve, B control circuit, or open. The P26AC engine code for indicate powertrain diagnostic code, defined as engine coolant bypass valve B, control circuit, or open. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty coolant bypass valve, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connector, internal coolant leak, faulty powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Toyota RAV4, and Toyota Corolla. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.